Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can just add multiple clock in your laptop or PC using Windows 11. And you can see that when I'm going to just roll over to my clock, you can see that it is local time, Pakistan and Australia. And you can just find out different option here. How you are going to do that, just right click on that and just adjust the date and time, and you get a new dialog box here. You are going to come and scroll down here, and additional clocks, you are going to click on that, and you will get a new dialog box here. And you can see that show clock 1, which I'm using that time zone. You can change that time to any time which you want. For example, if you are in different country and you want to change that, you can do that one. And here you are going to just add the title or the name of the country which you want to see. For example, here when I'm going to come, it is just giving me in a bracket a text which is written like local time Pakistan and Australia. And here you have the name and the time which you have added. Then you are going to press OK, and here you get your time. Also here Pakistan and Australia, and the local time is here, the date and everything. I hope you got the idea that how you are going to add multiple time in your taskbar using Windows 11. And that's it. I hope you like that video. Just don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.